Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Xgene and proteinX. In this tutorial video, I'll be focusing on how to use Discovery Studio visualizer for visualizing any protein's 3D structure. Before, I already made one video on PyMol visualizer, how to use that to open any 3D structure of the protein. So if you haven't watched that video, kindly go to that video and watch that one. So for this one, stay tuned and let's move on to the tutorial part. So this is how it looks like. This is the home page of this Discovery Studio, and if you haven't downloaded this software, you can go on this website directly and you can download it very easily and without any complicated process. So, and this is free totally. So for this, to visualizing the protein molecules, I have to go to the file and open one of the 3D structure of the protein. I already saved in a PDB file, so I'm gonna open that one. So this is my protein structure. This is the 3D structure of this protein, and if you want to see all of the molecules, what kind of the chain, different kind of chain and active molecules are there, you have to go directly to the view options and hit this option. Then you will get one pop-up window, and here all of the important molecules are shown. So you see here also, this is the active sites. In other software, this kind of options is not available, but this is the advantage over that kind of software. Is active sites are available, and you can easily track your any active sites. So for that, you have to click this one, and you see there are different kind of active site of this structure. And before that, you can spin it by click the right click, and then you should go to the mouse mode and rotate. Then you can use it for the spinning your molecules. Okay, so for here, if you select any of these molecules, any active sites, then it can easily track here. So if you can click here, so it is selected, right? So now you can see this yellow color is showing the active site, this active site 2. And if you click this one, then you can see here this yellow color is this selected active site. So this is also this part, active site 4. So active site 5. So there are different kind of active sites that are available here. And if you want to check the sequence, the linear sequence, you can do that also. For that, you have to go directly to the sequence option. So under this option, you'll get this option, the show sequence. So if you click this one, then this linear sequence will be shown here on a small window here. And you can also minimize this window. You can also minimize this window. So this is normally how it's open and how to check all of the active sites. And also here the water molecules and head atoms all are available, and protein groups. And if you click any of this, then the protein groups are not showing here. Okay, so the ligand groups, if you don't want to visualize right now, so you can click this one, then it will be not the selected, then the ligand groups will be gone. So by this way you can do this. And also you can, if you delete any part, water or head atom or ligand groups, any groups if you want to delete, so you can do that also. Just right click and selected remove group, then it will be deleted from this structure. And also you can add any hydrogen, polar hydrogen. For that you have to go to the chemistry option, and under this option you can find there are different kind of the options. So hydrogen, if you go to the hydrogen and add polar, so if you add polar, then all of the add polar hydrogen will be attached here. Okay. So also there are different kind of the bond and charge also. If you want to charge, you can calculate the charge. So right now there is no charge actually, because this is not the charged molecule, I did not add any Coleman charge, so that's what this charge is not showing here. So this is the very basic part I shown here, that how to open it and how to do this kind of things. So actually this is for just for preparation of your protein molecules for molecular docking. So after this kind of steps, when it will be done, then you can save it directly from here. From here, you go to the directly file and save as. So if you hit the save as, there are some options that are available, but not the PDB. There are also some options, like you see there are different kind of options that are available. Image files, protein data bank files also, PDB files also available here. But PDB-QT is not available here. So if you want to save the PDB files, and if you want to convert it to the PDB-QT file, then you can use the OpenBabel software, because this OpenBabel software is very useful to convert any file format to desired file format very easily, and that is the simplest method. So